Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb, and recently we had our vaccination, so that is one good thing. Be a responsible citizen, go and have your shots if you haven't already. It makes a lot of difference. So today we are here with another unboxing video, and this is the Wipro Garnet Deco table lamp. So recently there was a sale on Amazon, the Prime Day sale, and the MRP of this was around 2250, and I got this for around 1100 during the sale. So that was a good deal. I needed this for my reading. I read a lot, and I wanted to keep this in my personal laptop table. So let me show you around what's on the other side of the box. So choose light. So this is apparently an RGB light. We'll see it in a few moments. This is the cat number. Wattage is 6 watt. The price is 2250, as I said. Manufactured January 2021. So imported by Wipro. So that's one important thing. This is made in China. Yeah. So the features: soft glare free light. So that's one of the reasons I bought this. This has very beautiful warm white light. We'll see that in a few minutes. Adjustable design, easy touch control, smooth dimming control, and this has touch controls. So yeah. Specifications: material is ABS, that is plastic. Power watt is 6 watt. Voltage is 220 to 240. So that means you can use it with your normal power supply. Color is white. Accessories include is USB cable. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Bit of a styrofoam. There's the manual wrapped in plastic. So yeah, that's something new. So this is the technical product specification. The points which I just said. Some caution: do not use the light in damp, do not touch the lighting cover when the light is turned on, do not overload power, blah blah blah, the usual things. And an instruction manual in the back. We might need this later. Then we have the light itself, and let's see what else we have. The USB cable. So it's quite long. It's around 1.2 meters long. It's a USB, and this is what you plug in. So mind it, there is no adapter with this. You have to use your own adapter. That is, you can plug it into any of your old charging plugs. Now coming to the main unit itself. Nice and well. This is how it looks. It's completely plastic, and they have a nice loop so you can hang it around. It's quite long, I would say. It's quite long. The reach of this will be quite long, and this is where you plug in, and they have nice rubber at the base so that it does not skip around on your table. And these are the controls, and let me plug it in and show you how it looks. So guys, I have plugged it in, and for better visibility I've turned off the lights. Yeah. So this is the touch panel. Just you need to touch it, and this is how it looks. So one thing I like about this is you can use it in various modes. You can put it as an ambience light like that. You can use it as an RGB ambience light, or you can use it as a reading lamp. So let me show you. So as you can see, the light is warm white. It is quite nice. This will be very good for reading. It won't hurt your eyes. So as I can see, yeah, it feels very nice. It does not stress out your eyes, and I don't know if it's visible. This will be very good for reading. Yeah, so let me tell you, let me show you first. It has RGB. Yeah, that is one of the main reasons I got it. These days I'm getting a lot of RGB products, and I'll be reviewing all of this. I'm making my own gaming setup, so this is various light. To change that, you have to long press this side, this touch panel here, and if you touch that, as you can see, it will keep cycling, and as you leave that, this you can feel the base color. Basically, one sad thing is it does not have a breathing effect. So in all the gaming setups there is something called a breathing effect, where the light just keeps on and off and the color changes, but sadly this does not have it. It's just one static light, but I would say that's good. Something is better than nothing. And this looks nice. You can use it as a night lamp, as a reading lamp, as I said, as an ambience lamp. So yeah, let me tell you a bit about this, a little bit more. So this has 3 grade dimming. You can long press this power button, and this will result in you can dim it, you can dim the light to very low levels, and also if you press it again, this will increase. So the dimming that is there, the ambience lighting is there, as you already saw. The warranty, coming to the warranty, this is 1 year warranty on this product. The color temperature of this is 4000 to 5000 Kelvin, so that's quite bright. This is 360 light distribution, as you can see for yourself. And adaptable light modes, soft glow, as we already saw, ambient warmth and bright light. Another thing is you cannot change the shade of this light. You cannot make it cool white. This is fixed in warm white, so that's one thing you should know about. So the light, they stated it as eye caring, soft, stable and non-flickering. That is very important if you get this for reading. Touch controls, that is also nice. There is no moving parts, no clicky buttons, so there's less chance of those going bad. That's good for long-term usage. Convertible, makes it a night lamp or 360-degree RGB light or a reading light, as I've already seen. USB power supply, there's no adapter, as we also already saw. This is not rechargeable, keep that in mind. So if you take it out, this will stop. So this does not have a battery inside, you will always have to keep it connected, or you can use a power bank to carry it around. So yes, the LEDs in this lamp has a diffuser effect. So as you can see, you cannot see the individual LEDs, so there is a good diffuser here. So it gives the color consistency is nice, and it will not hurt your eyes. It's very bright, as we already saw. It's warm, so that's nice. And since this is USB, the power consumption of this will be very low. So let me just weigh this and measure this to show you the dimensions of this. So yeah, I just got this professional grade weighing machine from the kitchen. So we will weigh this here and let's see how much it weighs. 500 grams. So yeah, not that light, but that is important. You do not want it skidding around at the table. And now coming to the length of this, it is 15 inches, so more than a foot. So this is the best I can find out there, which suits my needs. Of course, everyone has different needs. I wanted something which can act as a reading lamp and also doubles up as a night lamp during the night, as I will be keeping this beside my bedside table, and also a little bit of ambience glow. So this perfectly fits my criteria. So that's it guys for today. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions about this, leave those in the comments and I will answer all of those. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our recent videos here and stay safe. Bye.